Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Ben. Where are you? I cannot see you. Oh, there you are. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you? How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's great. Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's start. Okay.
Chứ đổ được mà.
So this is our lesson for tonight, Ben. Okay, so we are now on Unit 4. Okay, so now let's read. Okay, let's read. Home.
Home.
Okay, one more time. Home.
Home. Home.
Very good. Okay, so now back. Let's have lesson 1. Okay, so lesson 1, family.
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 Okay, very good. Now let's listen. Okay, so let's listen first.
Page 32, Unit 4, Home. Lesson 1, Family. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Mother,
Mother,
2,
Father.
father,
father,
Father.
3,
brother,
Brother.
4,
sister,
Sister.
5,
grandmother,
6,
grandfather,
Grandma.
Okay, so now back, I want you to circle, okay? Find brother. Where is brother? Circle brother. Where is brother back? Circle, circle. Okay, so teacher will help you. So this is brother.
Brother.
Okay, very good. How about mother? Where is
Mother.
mother? Yes. Can you circle mother? Where is the mother? Okay. So look at this. This is mother. Very good.
Mother.
Okay. How about sister? Sister. Where is sister? Very good. How about father? Where is father? Circle father. Very good. Next, how about grandfather? Where's grandfather? Where is grandfather? Very good. Last one. Grandmother. Where is grandmother, Bang? Oh, okay. Very good. That's correct. Okay. Great job. Okay. Okay. Very good. So now back. Look at these pictures. Who is this? Who is this, Bang? Look at the picture. It's mother. Mother.
Mother.
Okay, this one. Who is this?
Father.
Father. Very good.
Father.
This one. Brother.
Brother.
Okay, one more. Brother.
Brother.
Okay, how about this one? It's sister.
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 Okay, how about this? It's grandma. Grandma.
Grandma.
Okay, grandmother.
Grandmother.
Okay, one more time. Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Okay, how about this one? Who is this bag? It's grandfather. Grandfather. Hello? Okay, grandfather.
Father.
Okay, so now back, let's go to letter B. So letter B, listen and number. Okay, so let's listen very well and write the correct number. Okay, so listen.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
Hi, Emma. Hi, Anne.
2,
Okay, so where is number 1? Okay, again, listen.
1,
Hi, Emma. Hi, Anne.
Okay, so where is number 1? It's Emma and Anne. Where is number 1? Okay, so very good. Wow, great job. Okay, so listen.
2,
Julie, my mother.
3,
Okay, this is correct. Okay, number 1, that's correct. Okay, and number 2. Okay, listen again, number 2.
Julie, my mother.
Okay, number 2. Julie, my mother. So where's the mother? Where is number 2? Okay, so this is the mother. This is the mother. Okay, so now listen.
3,
My father.
My father. So where is the father? Number 3. Father, very good. Okay, next.
4,
My brother.
Brother. Where is the brother? 4. Number 4. Brother. Brother. Number 4 is brother. Where is brother? Okay.
Cô bảo
So
là here. Cô bảo
here's brother. Okay, here's brother.
5,
my sister.
Sister. Where is sister? Number 5. Sister. Number 5. Sister. Okay. Go, that's it. Very good. Okay, that's correct. And
6,
My grandmother and my grandfather. Nice
Okay.
to meet you.
Okay.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, go. Number 6. Grandmother and grandfather. Number 6. Grandmother. Very good. Okay. Great job, back. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, so here you need to listen and say, then practice. Okay, so let's listen first.
page 33. See, listen, and say. Then practice.
This is my mother.
1,
This is my mother.
2,
This is my father.
3,
This is my brother.
4,
This is my sister.
5,
This is my grandmother.
6,
This is my grandfather.
Okay, so now let's practice back. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Number 1, this is
This is
my mother. Okay, very good. One more time. This is my mother.
This is my mother.
Very good. Number 2, this is
This is
my father.
my father.
Okay, one more time. This is my father.
This is my father.
Very good. Number 3, this is
This is
my
my
brother.
brother.
Okay, again. This is my brother.
This is my brother.
Very good. Number 4, this is my sister. This is
This is
my sister.
my sister.
Okay, very good. Number 5, this is
This is
my grandmother.
my grandmother.
Very good. One more time. This is
This is
my grandmother.
mother.
Okay, number 6, this is
My
my
father.
grandfather. Grandfather.
My father.
Okay, again. This is my grandfather.
This is my grandmother.
Okay, grandfather.
Father.
Okay, very good. Okay, great job. How about this? Who is this? Oh, who is this? Who is this? Cinnamon? Yes. Okay. How about this?
Kirby.
Kirby. Okay. How about this? Who is this? Okay. Who is this? Okay, very good, Bam. Okay, so now let's go to letter D. Okay, letter D. Listen ask and answer, then practice. Okay, so let's listen first.
Page 33. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Who's this?
This is my mother.
Whose? Who is?
Who?
1,
Who's this? This is my mother.
2,
Who's this? This is my father.
3,
Who's this? This is my sister.
4,
Who's this? This is my brother.
5,
Who's this? This is my grandfather.
6,
Who's this? This is my grandmother.
Okay, so now back, let's practice. Okay, so teacher will ask the question, who's this? Okay, and you are going to answer. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Who's this? This is? This is? Hello. Okay, who's this? Number 1. This is my mother. Okay, again. This is my mother.
My mother.
Very good. Number 2. Who's this? This is
This is
my father.
my father.
Okay, one more time. Who is this? This is
This is
my father.
my father.
Very good. Number 3.
My father.
Who's this? This is my sister.
My teacher.
Okay, again. Who's this? This is
This is
my sister. My sister.
my teacher.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Who's this? Who's this? This is my brother. Okay, follow teacher.
Father.
Okay, this is my brother.
My father.
Very good. Number 5. Who's this? This is
This is
my grandfather.
my father.
Okay, again. This is my grandfather.
My father.
My grandfather.
My father.
Okay, very good. Number 6. Who's this? This is
This is
my grandmother. My grandmother.
my mother.
Okay, again. This is my grandmother.
This is my mother.
Very good. Okay, great job, Bag. So now let's move to the next page. Okay. Okay, so now back, let's have lesson 2. So lesson 2, Food. Food. We follow teacher. Food.
food,
Okay. Now let's listen first.
Page 34. Lesson 2. Food. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Juice.
Juice.
2,
Chicken.
3,
Fish.
4,
Ice cream.
Okay. So now follow teacher. Look at the picture and follow teacher. Number 1, juice.
two,
Number 2, chicken.
chicken,
Number 3, fish.
fish,
Number 4, ice cream.
ice cream,
Okay, very good. So now back, I want you to find the chicken. Can you circle the chicken back? Where is the chicken? Circle the chicken. Very good. How about the ice cream? Can you find the ice cream? Circle the ice cream bag. Where is the ice cream? Huh? Ice cream! The ice cream! This is not an ice cream. Where is the yummy ice cream? Okay, so teacher will help. So this very good. Okay, great job. How about the fish? Where is the fish? Where is the fish bag? Circle the fish. Very good. How about the juice? Circle the juice. Where is the juice bag? Circle the juice. Very good. Okay, good job. So now look at this picture bag. Okay, look at this. What is this? What is this? What is this bag? Look at the picture. It's juice.
two,
Okay, juice.
a two,
Okay, this one, what is this?
a chicken,
It's chicken. Very good. This one, what is this?
a fish,
It's fish. This one.
a
Ice cream.
ice cream,
Okay, very good. Okay, great job. Okay, so now back, let's go to letter B. So letter B, listen and say, then practice. Okay, so let's listen first.
Page 34. B. Listen and say. Then practice.
I like juice. I don't like juice. Don't. Do not.
1,
I like juice. I don't like juice.
2,
I like chicken. I don't like chicken.
3,
I like fish. I don't like fish.
4,
I like ice cream. I don't like ice cream.
Okay, so now let's practice back. Follow teacher. Okay, look at the picture. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, I like juice.
I like you.
I don't like juice.
I don't like you.
Very good. Number 2. I like chicken.
Chicken.
I don't like chicken.
I don't like chicken.
Okay, number 3. I like fish.
I know fish.
I like fish. I don't like fish.
I don't like fish.
Okay, number 4. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. Okay, very good. Okay, so now back, let's go to letter C. We are going to sing a song. I like chicken. Okay, so let's sing together, Bang.
Page 35. C. Sing. I like chicken.
I like chicken, I like fish, I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I don't like juice. Chicken, chicken, ice cream, fish.
Ice cream.
I like ice cream.
Chicken.
What's this? This is juice.
Two.
This is juice.
Two.
Uh-oh, uh-oh,
Uh-oh,
uh-oh. I like chicken,
I
I like fish,
ice cream.
I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I don't like juice.
I like chicken. I like fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
I don't like juice.
Chicken, chicken, ice cream, fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. This is juice. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I like chicken. I like fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
I don't like juice.
I don't like juice.
Okay, very good. But how about you, Bang? Do you like juice? Okay, so now let's go to letter D, okay? So, ice cream. You like ice cream? I like. Okay, I like. Number 2, juice. Do you like juice? Yes. Number 3, fish. Do you like fish? I like. And number 4, chicken. Do you like chicken? Yay! Very good, Bang. Okay, so now, Bang, our time is almost over. And teacher will need to say goodbye, okay? So, Bang, this is our last class for tonight, and I am going to miss you very much, okay? Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Bang. Take care. Okay, I will miss
Bye-bye, teacher.
you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.